In this short video, I'll guide you on how to use a pendulum for psychic insights. This method is fantastic for getting clear yes or no answers about various aspects of your life, be it your career, relationships, or other life situations. Now you might be wondering, what's a pendulum? Simply put, it's a weight, like a crystal, or even a rock, attached to a string. There's nothing magical about it. If you've ever tried muscle testing, you know our bodies react to truths with strength. Similarly, pendulums move based on our body's reactions to true or false statements. To begin, you need to determine how your pendulum signifies a yes or no. Here's a quick demo. I have rose water in one hand and observe how the pendulum moves when I acknowledge it. For me, a back-and-forth motion means yes. If I pretend to hold ketchup, my pendulum moves from right to left, indicating no. Remember to ask precise yes or no questions for accuracy. Instead of asking, "How can I get this job?" break it down to, "Is my resume good?" Watch the pendulum's movement to decipher the answer. Be cautious when asking emotionally charged questions, as strong feelings can impact the reading. Stick to neutral queries like, "Am I on the right path in this relationship?" You can even use the pendulum to ask about foods that might be good or bad for you. Hold an apple or a bag of chips and see how the pendulum reacts. It's all about understanding and tuning into your body's responses. I hope this video sheds light on the fascinating world of pendulum readings. If you've got stories or questions,